First check the condenser fan. If it's spinning, it means the controller is working normal. Then touch this high pressure tube right here. Touch the high pressure tube right here. If the high pressure tube is hot, that means the compressor is working. If these two parts are normal, check the evaporator fan right here. If the evaporator fan is working normally, that means the refrigerator is cooling. If one of these three parts is failure or making some noise, that means the cooling system is damaged. That must be repaired.